As per survey of a renowned company, it is found that investor of the debenture expects 14% return. Reliance Limited wants to issue debentures having face value rupees 1000, carrying interest rate of 11.5 percentage, flotation cost is 2 percentage, income tax rate is 35 percentage. Find cost of debenture to the Reliance company. That is the question. Try to calculate answer of the question on your own. So let us see. As per survey of a renowned company, and so on information is given, we are required to find KD, cost of debt financing. Friends, we already have discussed कि cost of debt financing का जब भी that is question है, तो सबसे पहले ये चेक करने का whether the security is issued for perpetuity or the security is issued for a certain time period. ये सबसे पहले चेक करने का. क्वेश्चन के अंदर अगर कुछ भी क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं है, then in that case we make an assumption the security is issued for perpetuity and accordingly the cost of debt financing is calculated. This is the first thing. यहाँ पे हमको डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली ऐसा नहीं दे रखा है what is the time period for which the security is issued. So we make an assumption that the security is issued for perpetuity. तो ठीक है. If at all the security is issued for perpetuity, तो KD का फॉर्मूला होगा interest into 1 minus T divided by amount. This is what we understand. So now we understand that over here, face value of the debenture is provided to us as 1000. Rate of interest is given as 11.5% and income tax rate is 35%. So we understand that over here 1000 into 11.5% into 1 minus 0.35 divided by the issue price minus flotation cost. Flotation cost is provided as 2%. This, so 1000 into 2%, that comes to 20 rupees. Now the most important point of the question is the issue price. क्या हम लोग सिक्योरिटी फेस वैल्यू पे इश्यू कर सकते हैं? द आंसर इज नो. क्यों ऐसा सर? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में क्या दे रखा है, हम लोग रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑफर कर रहे हैं 11.5% और इन्वेस्टर्स का डिमांड है 14%. यानी क्वेश्चन में ऐसा दे रखा है दैट द इन्वेस्टर्स आर हैविंग एन एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ द रिटर्न ऑफ 14% and say as against that, so that we are offering the rate of interest of only 11.5%. Since we are offering less in comparison to the demand of the investor, so we do not have a choice but to issue the security at discount. जब हम लोग डिस्काउंट पे इश्यू करेंगे ना, तो ही वो केस में we will be able to get the subscription of the investor. तो ये क्वेश्चन में हमको सबसे पहला जो वर्किंग नोट बनाना है वो ये है, what is the issue price of the security, and that is the way we are required to make the computation of cost of capital. So friends, over here मैं आपको सिस्टमेटिकली आंसर दिखवाता हूँ, बट बिफोर दैट से जस्ट गिविंग एन एक्सप्लेनेशन टू यू दैट से हमको यहाँ पे सबसे पहले सिक्योरिटी का इश्यू प्राइस कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. चलो राइट ऑन आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, राइट ऑन फर्स्ट पॉइंट. in this question, comma, directly or indirectly it has not been given that what is the time period for which security is issued. Full stop. So we assume that security is issued forever. Second point, regarding issue price of security, comma, we have been given that what is investors required rate of return. Full stop. Hence, security must be issued in such a way so that it will meet with expectation of investor. Full stop. Working note number 1, calculation of issue price of security. Now, what is the price at which the security will be issued? Is the first working note. Investment and income. For every 100 rupees of the investment, investor expects 14 rupees. So for 115 rupees of the income, investor is ready to invest this much. This is provided to us as 1000 into 15%. So 115 into 100 upon 14. So 115 divided by 0.14, that is 821.40. This is the way you can present the answer, or otherwise P0 is equal to A1 divided by I. A1 is what? 1000 into 11.5% upon 14%. So 115 upon 14%, that is rupees 821.40. This is the way you can present the answer. Next, calculation of cost of debt financing. It is interest into 1 minus t divided by amount. What is the amount of interest? 1000 into 11.5 percentage into 1 minus 0.35 divided by 821.43 minus 1000 into 2 percentage, यानी क्या होगा 115 रुपए into 0.65 divided by 801.43. So 74.75 divided by 801.43 into 100 for getting answer in percentage term. So 9.33%. Right on answer.